my dream bag. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenica Elizabeth and I am a petite fashion and lifestyle content creator. So today I am doing a review of the Sézane mini Milo bag. I am doing a review and an unboxing first impression type of video. This is my first time doing this, so I am so excited. This is a dream bag of mine, so come and unbox with me. It's still sealed with all of these things. I just got this yesterday. I haven't opened it because I really wanted to do a first impression with you guys. So here it is. Here lies inside is one of my dream bags. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Oops. My scissors when I need that. It has this notch here where you can just like pull it off. Okay, I'm like inside is my dream bag. Okay, so let's just discuss first how this package includes a tote bag. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I think this is like a holiday freebie, I believe. I am not sure. I didn't need to put any code in for me to receive this one, but this is stunning. It's like a corduroy type material. It has the Sézane. It's a cute shopping bag and it's like a white canvas inside. Very spacious and roomy. As you can see, I love it. I really do. So now, let's go to the bag. Here is the box of the bag. Let's unbox it. Let's open it. Please. Okay, so it does have a dust bag, like a canvas dust bag that says Sézane. And this. Oh my gosh! The bag of my dreams. This is the hardware. I'm just peeling this off. God, that is so satisfying. So this is the mini Milo in color smooth honey. So when you open inside, there's of course the filling paper, so it can keep its shape, and then just the tag right here. It's so pretty. Okay, so first impressions, it is so gorgeous. I mean, I just don't appreciate that it has some scuffs already right here. I'm not sure if that's my doing, but that's probably me knowing how clumsy I am. But it does have some scuffs. I'm not sure if you can see. So this bag, I had it engraved because like it's free personalization engraving. It's up to 3 letters, so I put mine Liz for my name, it's Elizabeth. The straps are, I believe, you can adjust them. Okay, so this is what it looks like on me. I wish I could make this a little bit higher because like my frame, my torso is a little bit shorter, so I do wish that I could make this a bit. That works. Okay, this is cute. I love it. Or like a sling bag right here, like a messenger bag. Or what I really wanted it for is a clutch. I am definitely obsessed with this. This is more of like a cognac color. I love that the hardware is super versatile. Like it's not super gold and it's not super silver, so like it is a crossover between. It would fit a lot of outfits and jewelry. It is ovine leather. The inside is 100% cotton. The height is 4.7 inches. The length is 7.5 inches. The width is 2 inches. And this is $435 in Sézane's website. It's free shipping, but with the tax and all that, it came down to 450 something. The Milo bag is very cute and it's very classic, but I do like the versatility of the mini version. In terms of prices, between the regular Milo classic bag is $475, wherein this is $435, so there's only like $40 difference between the two of them. The engraving up to 3 letters, it's free. Okay, so now let's see what can fit in my mini Milo bag. My card case. I would also bring sanitizer. This is important. My phone. This is the iPhone SE, but I believe the 14 Pro Max should fit in here too. My keys. Some petroleum jelly, especially this winter, like my skin becomes a bit dry, so I never forget this. A lip stain / cheek tint. So let's see if I am able to close this. Okay, I'm able to close it without a problem. It's not super bulky. It fits everything perfectly. It has a little bit more space if you have a bigger iPhone. And put it here. Close it. Overall, I am very obsessed with this bag. Check back on me 2-3 months from now if my opinion has changed, but right now I am obsessed. It's safe to say that I am obsessed. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I would see you in my next video. Bye!